Here we go in Ohio. A little bit of rain coming. For all my humid Arizona friends, you don't see this very often in your territory, but here, I'm getting it enough to make sure that all these flowers are coming. Just a beautiful morning, guys. Thursday before Father's Day. And got some good rain, guys. I had to pull a bunch of poison ivy out of there to change that tree. And you see right there at the bottom of the screen, or the top of the screen, that poison ivy up here. It's coming back, and all along the fence now. So I have to kill it. But anyway, we changed that out. Took all the poison ivy out of there, and now it's over here, and it's over there. But I have garden hands. I have a garden also, and hey, and real quick, guys, just check out my clematis. Let me show you this baby. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love it. All right, me and my chocolate lab hanging out this morning on this rainy day. Just started.